Today, you will learn from our channel the correct meaning of true love as against infatuation and how to know which one you're feeling or experiencing. You will get to know how to react and reciprocate true love and also how to walk away when necessary. Let's start.
You need to be honest with yourself about why you're still in this situation and what's truly driving you to hold on. It could be that you don't want to start over with someone new, even though you no longer feel the same about him. In doing so, you're just wasting your time.
When trying to determine if someone truly loves you, it's important to reflect on your own feelings first. Many people confuse infatuation or attachment with love. True love is reciprocal and not one-sided. If you're not genuinely into someone, it's likely a form of infatuation or attachment rather than real love. True love involves mutual feelings and can't thrive if you're only staying because it feels safe. People often mistake different forms of affection for love, like appreciating how someone treats them, admiring a quality they possess, or enjoying the attention they receive.
To understand love, you must first define it for yourself. Love starts with kindness, compassion, patience, understanding, and selflessness.
But beyond these qualities, emotional readiness and healing from past experiences are crucial before moving forward in a relationship. We often rush into relationships as soon as we feel love, but love also requires giving and understanding the needs of the other person. If you're not prepared to meet the other person's needs, it might not be love, but rather something that felt good in the moment.
Understanding the difference between chemistry and compatibility is essential. While chemistry is an immediate connection that can happen with many people, true connection is rare and deeper. Compatibility, which involves harmony and coexistence, is crucial for a lasting relationship. It's not just about an initial spark, but about how well you adapt and build a relationship over time.
In summary, a fulfilling relationship needs a genuine mutual connection, the chemistry that sparks interest, and compatibility that fosters harmony. Love involves deep understanding, patience, and the willingness to adapt and grow together. When you're wondering if someone is wasting your time or if they're truly the right person for you, it's essential to reflect on the depth of your connection. Sometimes, the initial spark of chemistry fades, leading you to question the relationship's foundation.
You need to be honest with yourself about why you're still invested. Are you staying because you genuinely care about this person, or is it out of convenience or fear of starting over? If you're holding on to a relationship just because the person is nice or because you don't want to go through the effort of meeting someone new, you might be setting yourself up for disappointment. A lasting relationship should be built on a genuine connection, love, and a mutual desire to make it work, not just on temporary feelings or convenience.
Relationships should not be about presenting an unsustainable version of yourself to attract someone. Whether it's pretending to have a different lifestyle or suppressing your true needs, such behavior, it is bound to cause issues once your true self emerges. Authenticity from the beginning sets the stage for a healthier and more sustainable relationship.
Balancing masculine and feminine energies is key. Everyone has both, but one should be dominant while the other can be tapped into as needed. For instance, a man can be primarily masculine, but also show empathy and compassion when necessary. The ability to switch between these energies helps maintain attraction and balance in the relationship.
Effective communication and transparency are essential, especially in understanding when to switch between these energies. Men often fear losing their partners and become overly needy, which can be unattractive. It's crucial to maintain self-respect and confidence, showing that you won't tolerate an unhealthy relationship.
Entering relationships with the understanding that they are imperfect and require work can set you up for success. Expect disagreements and use them as opportunities to develop the necessary skills for navigating conflicts. Healthy relationships involve recognizing and addressing imbalances, not avoiding them.
Lastly, we must change our mindset about compassion and kindness. These traits are not weaknesses. They are strengths that can bring peace and harmony to a relationship. Learning when and how to use these qualities effectively can help balance the dynamic and improve the relationship's overall health.
You must appreciate that sharing your positive energy isn't just the only issue, but the person receiving it. We often start to question if being a good and loving person truly makes a difference in the world. The truth is that it does, but it needs to be shared with someone who can reciprocate and hold that space with you. Many people give their energy to the wrong person thinking they can change or fix them. This implies we see the other person as broken, often leading us to constantly be the other person's critique and try to improve them. Choosing someone to fix often comes from a desire for emotional control, creating a false sense of security and value. This cycle, particularly for women, starts with their first love, which often occurs when men are too immature to handle deep emotions. After being hurt, women might subconsciously choose safer partners who don't evoke the same vulnerability. This dynamic often leads to dissatisfaction and infidelity, as the safe choice isn't fulfilling as should have been.
Knowing when to leave a relationship involves recognizing if your partner is unwilling to work on necessary changes. Clear communication is crucial, and sometimes writing a letter can be more effective than verbal discussions or telephone conversations. If there's no progress after genuine attempts to communicate and resolve issues, it's time for you to move on. Breaking up doesn't mean the relationship can't work in the future, but it needs to happen under better circumstances.
Focusing on personal healing and growth, rather than trying to fix someone else, is essential for both individual and collective development. Ultimately, understanding that painful experiences now can lead to future joy helps navigate breakups. It's important to express yourself fully and ensure there's no lingering doubt about your efforts. Relying on a higher purpose or belief can also provide peace in these situations. Honest self-reflection and having a supportive accountability partner can make the process smoother.
Let us know in the comment section below if you were able to grab some very important stuffs that will help your relationship today. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends who may need the help we offer, and ultimately please hit the subscribe button so you can get notified as soon as we post new videos. Thank you, and may you find happiness and contentment in your love affairs.